Hi guys, welcome back into Engineering Insights Revit Architecture Essential Training. You know that very well. If you want to do working fastly on anything, you must know all about its shortcut keys. So before continue our project, we are going to see all useful and important shortcut keys of Revit today. So let's get started. Before start using the shortkeys of Revit, let's see from where you can find the menu of shortcut keys in Revit. For this, you have to go in View User Interface. Here you can find the keyboard shortcut key menu. You can also use keys for reaching this menu. Can check and add new shortkeys here in this menu. Now let's see how you can use these useful shortkeys for your project. First one is WA for walls, AI for align, DR for door, double M for mirror. Next is create similar. For this, first you have to select that object to which you want to create similar, then use shortcut key CS like this. Now I am creating the same type of door that I have used first in my project. Next is TR for trim. As I want to trim this part of wall, so I am selecting the rest walls that I want to keep in my project like this. WN for window, CM for placing component, RM for rooms, DI for dimensions, TX for text, LI for model lines, DL for detail lines, CO for copy. For this, first you have to select the things you want to copy, then copy this. RP for reference plans, UN for project units, GR for grades, RE for scale. For this, you have to select object first as well, then select first point and then second, then scale it according to your requirement. Double L for levels, AR for array, and WT for window tiles. So hopefully these all shortcut keys very helpful for you. If you have any queries about this, you can ask anytime in comments below. Thanks for watching.